Hey guys, welcome to tutorial 4, She's Ready. Super fun and sultry song. Let's get started. Starts in a nice wide position here. The hand comes in front, right arm first. Right hand, left hand, with the palms facing forward, and then right arm up, left arm up, and then the arms are gonna circle down. So just the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now lower body is 1, 2, 3, 4, hips and hips. We put it all together. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to see that move a lot in this dance. Now we're going to take it over to the right. We're going to have a little pony foot here. The arms are going to be strong down by our sides in those fists. We're going to pony to the right. Right there. 4 times. Starting right, we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Step right, right hand. Step left, left hand. And pump twice. Other side. Fist down, left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left arm, left foot. Right hand, right foot. Pump, pump. Up to tempo. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next we have this little shuffle slide move. Arms are going to come across the body. Side, side, double, side. We're going to move the body with it. Side, double, side. 3 of those, and then we have a little back step. So it looks like this. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left foot back. 5, 6. Right foot back. 7, 8. Repeat from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back step. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. And those arms are here and here. Great, we're back into that chorus. She ready. Right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On one of the sections, we're going to take it around the world, so I'll show that now. We go right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and to the final wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to have a little shoulder roll here. The shoulder roll is going to shoulder back and through the body. 4 times on each side. So we start with the right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. That's all the sections. 4 sections. We have that pump right here. We have the shuffle section, double shuffle 3 times with that back step. We have the chorus, tap, 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 and around. And then we have our final shoulder roll, both sides 4 times, and the knee wind. Let's dance it.